Hello, Merry New Year's.
Merry New Year's.
Yes, it's gonna be, well, it's actually New Year's Eve right now, and we just went to Ghost Lake to do some skating. It's my first time skating in like 2 years, so I'm very rusty, but I mean, it's been worse. There was a point where I didn't skate for like 15 years and I went out on the ice and it was fine. It's different when you're indoors at the rink versus an actual lake because the ice is very uneven and there's like holes where it looks like people tried to ice fish down there, so I had to watch out for those. And it is actually a pretty busy day out here for New Year's Eve. I'm really sad that I didn't get like prime wild ice conditions. I was trying to get it with no snow, but it's been snowing, so I'll wait for Lake Minnewanka and hope it's better. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Hopefully the angle is okay, but I'm doing my first solo adventure out in the mountains today. I got a really late start and I don't know why. I thought I'm gonna like multitask while I'm filming this intro because it's like super late in the day now. Not super late, it's just late in the morning, and Banff is a little bit far away, and honestly I wouldn't be going this far if I didn't know how the conditions were. And basically I'm going skating, finally. I'm going skating alone because I cannot for the life of me find anyone that wants to go skating. I've reached out to a couple people. Some people don't know how to skate, some people don't have skates. It's a whole thing. So I was like, this year my New Year's resolution for myself is to go on more of these like solo adventures and really just like not miss out because other people don't want to do something, you know? Like I need to learn how to like do these things alone, you know? So I got breakfast, which is just a Subway, one of these like snack witches. That's really good. I also got coffee. I wish they had this year round. It is the sugar cookie oat latte from Starbucks. So good. Coffee is needed, okay? Coffee is needed. So I'm about probably like an hour and a half-ish away. I'm going to Lake Minnewanka, and the conditions yesterday were like glass. I'm a little bit concerned about the wind situation today, so I have a few extra like safety things with me. Like I'm gonna bring my micro spikes with me if it gets super windy and I need to walk back across the lake to my car or something like that. I honestly don't know how far away I'm gonna go, but I literally have like a plan B and a plan C. So my plan B is just to go hiking, just pick a really short hike because it's so late in the day. And my plan C is to go to Morant's Curve and finally like photograph like a train. But I don't know how long that's gonna take. Anyways, I am over prepared for today, which is good. I actually went to Canadian Tire yesterday and bought like these ice spikes just in case I fall into the lake, which That already sounds like super sketch and scary, but yesterday there was people on the ice and stuff like that, and they said the conditions were really good, so I'm hoping for the best today as well. I will see you guys soon in the next clip. Hey guys, so I made it. I'm on Lake Minnewanka now. The ice is a little bumpy, but the lake is definitely very frozen, so I don't feel like unsafe out here, but it's really bumpy. I also think my skates are extremely uncomfortable. It's been a long time since I've been out skating. Well, as you guys know, I tried to go at Ghost Lake on New Year's, and that was a whole thing. It was also like not the best condition. So yeah, I'm gonna have to skate for a while just to get used to it again, and so maybe my feet won't hurt as bad. But it is really pretty. It is snowing right now, so I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland. That's okay. We're gonna keep going. I don't know how far we're gonna go today, but we're gonna try to go to where like the ice is a little bit smoother. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys! Oh my gosh. It is so windy out here. This was what I was expecting though. When I left Calgary, I was like, it's probably going to be windy out there. It's also kind of like trying to be a snowstorm. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep going, but my feet are finally getting used to these skates. But I want to keep going like down there because it's so beautiful. So we'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys in the next clip. I took off my backpack because I wanted some like cute photos, but we'll see. I'm really cold. guys, there's no view anymore, and the ice is really hard to skate on right now because it's snow covered. I'm almost back at the boat launch. Hey guys, so I look like I was in a snow blizzard because I was. Yeah, I need to brush off my car. It got crazy out there. I skated for about, I want to say, like almost 2 hours. It was at least over an hour and a half. So I got a good amount of time out there. I got used to my skates. I started getting used to skating again. And then this snowstorm came. So then the conditions of the ice weren't that great because the snow was like sticking to the lake. So I had to actually take my skates off early and just walk the rest of the way in my Uggs because it just got snow covered. The snow was starting to stick to the lake. It wasn't slippery enough to skate on anymore. And also, when you looked toward the end of the lake before, you could see mountains, and it was like complete whiteout. So I had to get off the lake, but I'm very happy that I got to do this today. I had a great experience. I had a good day, you know, experiencing this alone, solo. I had a good day. So I did want to go to Silverton Falls, like I mentioned, but I don't think the roads are going to be optimal at this point. They're probably going to be really bad, especially the fact that I have to drive all the way back to Calgary, which is like 2 hours away, and it's a snow blizzard. So yeah, this was very unexpected. This just shows you like you could go on a very mild winter day that feels like spring and end up in a snow blizzard. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
You and